Medical bills are confusing. Here's how to read one and catch errors simply. I'm Maya. A medical bill and an EOB are not the same thing. Knowing the difference can save you real money.
A medical bill is what the provider charges you. An EOB, or explanation of benefits, is your insurer's summary of how it processed the claim. An EOB is not a bill. CPT codes are 5-digit numbers describing the procedure or service, like 99213 for an office visit. Look them up to check the bill matches the care you got. ICD codes describe your diagnosis, like E119 for type 2 diabetes. They explain why the service was done. The allowed amount, also called the negotiated rate, is the most your plan pays for a covered service. If an out-of-network provider charges more, you may owe the difference, called balance billing. Your EOB shows a billed charge of $1,500, an allowed amount of $1,000, and patient responsibility of $200. That $200 is your 20% coinsurance, 20% of the $1,000 allowed amount. Your actual bill should also say $200, not $1,500. The billed charge is the sticker price. You only owe the patient responsibility, the allowed amount-based share. Always compare your bill to the EOB before paying. If you're uninsured or self-pay and schedule care at least 3 business days ahead, you must get a good faith estimate. If the final bill is $400 or more over it, you can dispute it.
Quick recap. Reading your bill simply. A bill is what you owe. An EOB is the insurer's summary. The allowed amount, not the billed charge, sets your share. Compare your bill's amount to the EOB's amount you owe. Pay the patient responsibility, not the sticker price. I'm Maya. If this helped, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's make insurance simple.